Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Life, lives. She has one life. Cats have 9 lives. Wife, wives. He has one wife. In the story, the king had 3 wives. Thief, thieves. 1 thief ran away. 2 thieves were caught. Shelf, shelves. I clean 1 shelf. I clean all the shelves. Louse, lice. 1 louse is very small. Many lice are hard to see. Hoof, hooves. The horse has 1 hoof. The horse has 4 hooves. Elf, elves. 1 elf is in the story. Many elves live in the forest. Moose, meese. 1 moose is near the lake. 3 meese are near the lake. Bison, bison. 1 bison is on the field. Many bison are on the field. Series, series. I watch 1 series. I watch 2 series every week. Species, species. 1 species of bird lives here. Many species live in the forest. Means, means. This is 1 means of transport. There are many means of transport. Datum, data. 1 datum is not enough. All the data is ready. Criterion, criteria. There is 1 criterion for this job. There are many criteria for this job. Phenomenon, phenomena. This is 1 natural phenomenon. There are many natural phenomena. Crisis, crises. The country has 1 crisis. The world has many crises. Basis, bases. This is the basis of the lesson. These are the bases of learning. Fungus, fungi. 1 fungus grows on the tree. Many fungi grow in the forest. Cactus, cacti. 1 cactus is on my desk. Many cacti grow in the desert. Axis, axes. The earth has 1 axis. A graph has 2 axes.